Hello everyone and welcome to week 2. I'm rocking the old mohawk this week, getting ready for the middle of summer. Yes, most of the things that I wanted to get you guys informed about following up on week 1 and moving into week 2, I have sent around in some announcements to you guys so that you have those written out and can look over those. But I do like to say hello by video, at least briefly, every week, so that you can feel like your instructor is there in your presence, even though it's an online class. Just a couple of quick notes, things I may have already addressed. The discussions last week, most of you did a good job on these. Now, the first week of class, if your discussions or your blog assignment post was just slightly late, I know a lot of you guys were getting used to navigating Blackboard or getting your books or other things. So I'm very patient with that, and the first week of class, I do not count late penalties. So you have some leniency there. Starting week 2, though, I do count penalties for late work. So please, when you have discussions or assignments, post them on time and do a thorough job. For example, in a discussion, you might not have gotten full credit last week if you did a post but didn't do a reply to a classmate. I'll still let you, since it was week 1, go back and add those missing components if you wish. But from here moving forward, please be sure to complete all components of each discussion and assignment. And speaking of the assignments, most of you did a good job on your blogs. It was a pleasure to get to know all of you visually, and some of you included videos. It was really a pleasure to meet you and find out more about you. I suggest that for those of you who wish to revise your blog, that maybe some of you could add more information. Some of the blogs were more thorough than others, and I think I pointed out Denicia and Abby, you guys just did stellar, dazzling work, both visually and as far as thoroughness goes with your blogs. Everybody go to the discussion board and look at those 2 students' blogs. They were simply remarkable. Good work. You are allowed to revise 2 of your 3 projects at the end of the semester. I give you a full week, the last week of class, just for revisions. So start thinking about revision strategies. If you didn't get a good grade on your blog, then that might be one of the projects you revise later. But I would not revise it now. I would hold on and see how you do on Project 2 and Project 3 because they weigh more heavily than Project 1 and you have to choose 2 of them to revise. So please hold on and choose later. Some of you were missing your writer's memos. If you want to go ahead and email me that now to get back to those missing 10 points, then you can go ahead and do that, or you can wait and submit them with your rewrite later this semester. I enjoyed the discussions, I enjoyed meeting you guys, and looking ahead to next week, this coming week, week 2, you will begin to choose partners and work on your informative project. I don't want this video to go on and on and on. Most of it's already been sent to you via announcements. So start looking at that, start thinking of who your partner is going to be, and start thinking of your nonprofit or your issue that you want to address in your informative research project. It's not due this week. You'll start working on it this week, and then the draft will be due next week. Anyway, if you have any questions for me, I do have office hours on Monday, 7 to 9 p.m. this week, and on Wednesday, 4 to 5 p.m. So get in touch with me, and I hope you have a good week too.